SIMTOS Secretariat invites you to the 2024 Global Digital Manufacturing Innovation Conference, where you can see the upcoming future and a new paradigm. Global Digital Manufacturing Innovation Conference invites decision makers and figures of influence, such as executive directors from exhibitors and opinion leaders from the global industry, to discover issues and topics that can bring up in the industry through various forms of communication platforms, such as keynotes, forums, and panel discussions. The Global Digital Manufacturing Innovation Conference features an impressive lineup of 96 sessions under 13 themes with profound and cutting-edge topics such as AI, additive manufacturing, robots, smart factories, die casting, and injection molding. This time, the conference will be held at 3 different locations: 2 conference rooms located in Hall 7 through 8, Kintex 2, and 1 seminar room. Please be careful not to confuse the location of the conferences. You can register the conference at SIMTOS 2024 website. Click Events, Conference tab. Select a desired topic and sessions. Register online. You can get discount by pre-registration. We will provide lounge lunch coupon only for those who pre-registered. The conference will be held from April 1st to 5th, 2024 at Kintex 2, Hall 7 through 8. Looking forward to meeting you at SIMTOS 2024. Thank you very much.